Now that I'm thinking about it, probably won't reuse this lock anyways, so I could have just cut this with a cutoff tool in here and just go straight in with the drill. But I'm going to continue this method because I started it this way. It's a cold winter day, raining, and I'd rather be doing this actually than just sitting around the house, so I'm not complaining. I'd rather sit around the house tonight feeling accomplished than just feeling lazy, so. This is locked. The key is not working, so may have to take some drastic measures here. First thing I'm going to try to do is get one of those bent little screwdrivers. Try to pull out these screws or bolts, and if that doesn't work, I may get a long pair of channel locks on here and just yank this off. Or I may just come around the side here and just, whoa, that needs to be cleaned pretty badly. But I may just go ahead and cut a like a little doorway and crawl in there and try to get it from the inside. Got this bent screwdriver tool, so we'll see if that reaches in that lock there. Oh yeah, looks like it's reaching. It's gonna take a little while. Starting to strip that bottom one. Not happy about that. Soft metal, and the angle isn't exactly straight on, so it keeps messing up that Phillips shape. Probably some drill attachment. Thinking about it right now, there's probably some kind of drill attachment that can get in here. I just don't own that. I don't know if it exists. If it doesn't, it needs to. But this is a tight space. Okay, at least I have some room here if I needed to pry this with a big screwdriver. I might be able to, but I'm going to keep working at these bolts. This reminds me that nothing is exactly theft proof. Things are just theft deterrents. This needs to be done. All right, got one out. I'd say it's been at least 20 minutes. I kind of feel like Cinque on Amistad when he was pulling that nail out. At first I decided not to use the big channel locks to try to bust the lock, because I was thinking I was going to salvage this lock and reuse it. So, I don't know. Okay, it's frustrating. That bottom bolt just keeps free spinning and it's not grabbing on anything. So, plan B, I'm going to go ahead and try the channel locks and bust it. If that doesn't work, I'm going to cut off this bottom part to access that bolt with a drill. And if that doesn't work, I'm going to cut a access door in the back of the shed. Really need channel locks about twice as big, but we'll see if this works. Ha ha! Whoa. Alright. Oh, I see what happened. There's a nut on the back side that just wasn't loosening with that bolt. Okay, I could have saved myself 30 minutes of my life by just doing that in the beginning. But like I said, things aren't really theft proof, they're just theft deterrents. All you had to do to break into the shed was just have a pair of pliers like this. My plan now is just to take this all the way off and get rid of this lock. Shed doesn't need to be locked anyways. I'm probably just going to put one of those gate latches that has the old-fashioned little hook in it. You can see right here where that lock busted. Just dislodged the lock cylinder, or whatever you call this part with the tumblers in there. Just totally came out. Well, it's functional the way it is. Doesn't look great, but for now, that's my solution. I'll see what Home Depot has. I might get one of those the sliding type of locks. Just mount one side, and then it would retain the door. It may have some kind of old-fashioned kind of thing that goes like this. I'll see what they have, but for now, this will work. I decided to do something different because the back of this handle is pretty sharp. Didn't realize that. I don't want that to... This chrome is starting to flake, and I don't want that to hurt anybody's hands. That chrome can flake off and easily get in your skin. So what I'm gonna do, not today, but probably tomorrow, cut this off, pull it out all the way. I bought one of these, and I don't think I'm gonna use it. I think instead I'm just gonna use one of these gear ties, put it through that hole, pull it, and then just put a screw here and wrap it around. Easy.